This is my lemon tree at my backyard, taken during its fruiting season last year. So this is where we will also do marcoting or air layering now. Take note that when your tree is heavily fruited, do not marcot. This is a warning, as this will affect the physiological processes of the tree. Wait until the fruits are harvested. Then, in selecting a branch to marcot, one should be wise. Select a healthy branch, or that is free of diseases, and of course must be 1 year old branch. Not too old and not too young. Because what you are selecting is soon a brand new plant. Of course, you don't want a diseased or weak plant later on. So you use your eyes and thinking or analytical abilities also when propagating your fruit trees. Here are important materials needed when marcoting. So we have here dry sphagnum moss and a pail of water. So you can soak the sphagnum moss on the water. You can also use coconut coir as substitute. But one very important material is a clear plastic cellophane. It should be clear so that growing adventitious roots are visible. You need also tying materials to tie the marcot medium on both ends. And you need a sharp orchard knife like this, a grafting knife, or even a budding knife. Depends on what available sharp knives you have. So friends, let's watch this.